These have to be the dumbest and craziest drivers ever. He probably had somewhere to be. That's a good way to wake up.
So, by the time April of 1968 rolls around, he's exhausted, he's tired, he's got people coming at him.
That was too close.
Even within his own camp.
How in the world did that even happen? Blocks had their own stop in mind. Did he think he was play GTA? He had to be the worst I've seen. Perfect example for karma.
Whoa, red light. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Nice.
This is the intelligence test for all drivers. That was too close. Did he really honked for stopping at a red light, then proceeded to pass on the grass to run a green light?
But I'm like, let's go. I'm like, I wanna go. Like Joey Diaz always says. Oh. I'm like, I wanna go. Like Joey Diaz.
Where does he have to go?
The devil. Fuck the microdosing. I'm trying to meet the devil. You guys are fucking crazy. You're fucking crazy.
I would see you do that before stage.
School.
You would take a full nugget of them up.
Don't tell the police are listening.
This lady in the red car hit a car twice, then decided to run away, which is completely insane. Maybe it was the blind spot in the car, or maybe he's just a horrible driver. The driver in the red truck decided he was going to put the people's lives in danger by being a road rage driver on the highway, and he targeted any and everybody with no reason at all just because he was mad at something, or even mad at someone. that would be the end of this video. Hope you tune in on the next.